Today I have a Dodge Challenger, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the steering wheel height on this specific Dodge Challenger. I'm going to show you how to adjust the distance that the steering wheel is away from me. I'm going to show you how to raise it. I'm going to show you how to lower it so it's in a comfortable and safe position for you to drive. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started with the steering wheel. So I'm in the vehicle behind the steering wheel. In order to raise it and lower it, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go underneath the steering wheel and you'll find a latch. Now, with that being said, some models may come with a electric switch that can raise and lower, and it'll probably be somewhere around here. But if not, if you have the manual, what you'll do is you'll take your finger and you see this lever right here. You'll press it downward. And what that does is it unlocks the steering wheel, allowing you to maneuver it. And so when I've done that, I'm going to come back up here. And I'm going to take the steering wheel, let me get a little bit wider so you can see this. And I can raise it, okay? So raise it. I can lower it. I can bring it towards me. I can push it away from me. I can do it 4 different ways: away from me, towards me, down, up. And when I get to a position that is really comfortable for me and safe, what I'll do is I'll go back underneath the steering wheel. I'll find that lever and I'll press it upwards till it doesn't stop, till it stops right there. And the steering wheel is locked in place and I'm able to go ahead and drive into the sunset. And that is how you adjust the steering wheel height, distance in a Dodge Challenger. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.